Where's all the bread gone? Cheeky boy. I'm out with the Tato Element Stove today. A lot of you probably have never heard of it. That's because they don't make them anymore. It's not a bad stove actually. Tato Element Stove comes in 5 pieces. You've got the main body of the stove, and that includes a little flappy port where you can insert wood when it's in wood burning mode. The base plate, 2 trivet plates and a pin. So easy to put together. It's just a case of inserting the base plate, wrapping it around. So what pots fit? A 750ml mug. Easy to get a firebox box pot on there, or you could put in a frying pan. I won't lie to you, this is hard work today. I've already scaled back my plans for cooking because it's not going to go well if I start trying to do too much. So today I'm going to try and cook toast. Bit like this stove, the stove is toast. I've snuck myself away into this little corner just off the path. So the weather's horrible. It's very harsh, very windy. I expected the weather not to be nice, so instead of anything open, I bought this sandwich toaster with me, and I thought that would work. Hello. Where's all the bread gone? Who's stolen my loaf? There may not be much in here, but they're not letting me have it. Luckily I got a little knife with me. I just shove a slice in. Look at the size of it. It's tiny. I should be able to toast him on both sides, preferably without the grass. Just chuck him on there. I'm on a tiny bit of a slope, so every time I adjust that, he's going to go sliding down there. It's the flattest piece of land I could find. I actually really enjoy being out in the weather when it's horrible like this. I don't like trying to make little videos in it because it makes it really hard work. My mission today is just to cook a little bit of toast and eat it without getting too wet. He's starting to toast up a little. The journey here was horrendous. It's full of potholes. It's one of those places, if you time it right, you can stay away from a lot of people. There's a lot of dog walkers about down on the main path there, but hopefully they won't disturb us too much up here. The Tato Element Stove, I think I've had this for about, I don't know, it must be at least 15 years. Got this from America. The Tato company, they also sold little alcohol stoves, little tiny things they were. They were supposed to be ultra light, and the idea was on some of them that you had a pipe coming out. So I'm keeping an eye on my toast. Let's turn them over. You had a little pipe coming out the alcohol stove into the actual pot of alcohol, or your alcohol container. So it was a bit like, imagine that's an alcohol stove, and that's the container. It would have been a bit smaller than that. There's just a tube that came out, and you used to have to squeeze that to get a constant fill of alcohol into your stove. I never bothered with any of that because I thought it was far too fiddly. There's too many bits to go wrong. When I first saw this little element stove, it was nice and lightweight, made of titanium. You could put wood in it, you can use alcohol in it as well. Put a trangia in it. I thought it was absolutely brilliant, and I've not regretted my purchase. This is not going well. He keeps slipping down, he keeps sliding all over the place. Oh, not bad, not bad. There's not enough alcohol in there to do another one. The wind's just exhausting all the flames. It's struggling against the wind. It's just burning out faster, but never mind. We've got a piece of toast out of it. It's not so much the cooking today, it's more showing the stove. I would have liked to have gone cold already. Plate's still hot. I'll tell you what, stick that on top of there and the heat might melt me butter a bit. I softened a little bit. Not that much. What should we go for? Marmalade or jam? I think we're going to go for jam. I like a bit of jam. I haven't had jam in absolutely ages. And I saw these in my local Morrison's and I thought that's ideal for this sort of thing. A tiny bit of jam on there. With it being so windy, it's making this quite difficult. I have to make sure that I hold everything down with something weighted. My mat's starting to blow away. It's like, come back. I'm getting jam everywhere. I wanted to do a lot more this week and go out and have a nice cook up. But this was the best I could do. To be fair, he's quite crispy. I might do toasting that again at some point. I'm hoping to get this down me and get away before it hammers down again. If the weather was a bit nicer, I'd probably have 3 or 4 of these. The simple things in life. I can see the rainstorm coming in over the hills. I think this little stove probably died out because it wasn't financially viable to keep making them. It was a small company that did it. The Tato company. I think it was just a little family company. I put my O-ring on the end of my bag so I didn't lose it. Oh, I've just lost it. Where's he gone? Oh, for goodness sake. I was trying to be all clever and I put the O-ring out the cap on there. But now I've lost it. It's okay. I found him underneath there. Cheeky boy. I really enjoyed this little stove. And I won't get rid of him or anything because he's quite fun to take out. He's quite fun to play around with. Let me know in the comments if you bought one of these and if you enjoyed using it. I guess with the rise of a lot of cheap Chinese imports, shall we say, they couldn't compete on cost, so it was never really caught on and it wasn't mass produced. It's a shame really. It's a nice little stove. I'm really glad I got to show you that little stove. I will take him out properly again at some point. I just can't trust this weather at the moment. If you look over there, it's all coming in. We've just had a shower. And a couple of dogs having a play there in the water. They're loving it. They're living life to the full. I don't think I'll be joining them. It's sunny over there. I'm getting wet here. Oh, it's a rainbow. I so want that rainbow to come out on this camera. I hope he does. I can't see. I'm hoping I got him. Love a rainbow. I just wanted to say thank you to all my new subscribers and all you good people that have joined and started watching my videos. I've got no idea at the moment why YouTube seems to be just promoting it a little bit, putting them out there. But I'm grateful for that, and I'm grateful for you taking the time to watch little bits of nonsense that I do. I always find nature absolutely beautiful, even when it's being a bit angry. How's the potholes in your area? Are they anything like this? I didn't even bring my car down here. I parked him a little ways out. I need a 4x4 really for all this. My little car, I don't think he likes it coming down these sorts of roads. That's why I've given him a bit of a reprieve and parked him half a mile or so up the road.